What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we are at Beale Park somewhere, I don't know really well where it is, but here the weather just out here is amazing, and over there is meerkats and look at it. Oh, let's try to zoom it in on it. But around there there's like a, I forgot what it's called, it's like an animal, so yeah. So yeah, here's a great
Ivy at Alex and
yeah, just shout out to Rad and Hate because he's my Hey, move!
What?
There's a caviar Patagonian Mara, alpaca, and in there it's probably over there or something. It's probably there. So yeah, so yeah, that's it. Now you can have a good look at the meerkats, but there is no meerkats because the weather's too hot for them, so they're hiding. So yeah, today is actually, I don't know how to describe it, it's just really nice, and as you can see over here, now I'm over at the hiding, probably hiding in. We think, what? I think we found him!
they're there. It's a meerkat. It's so cute.
It's a meerkat! It's a meerkat! It'll just sound him. Hello! So cute. That's so cute, so we have to. Oh my god, there's like a fire truck or something, so. And here's the danger. Here's the truck. Or. So yeah, that's what it. At the moment, we're here at the train station or at animal thing. Is these old or are these still animal things? Is it holders? Probably holders or so. We do not feed the animals. Yes, they need those off. So yeah, Beale Park's actually really good, and as you can probably see, there's the dad. Oh, look at that! Look. Hello. So he's really cute. See now. Yeah. I know. As you can probably see, there's a training thing here. So, and today we're just a train. So yeah, at the moment we're walking down here, and I'm gonna end the video now. So yeah, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment and rate out of 10 how I done today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.